Alrighty, so of course we got stuck here, guys. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we was pretty much down at the street races in Houston, not for the cars but for the bikes, man. You guys seen we got some 1320 action in on our Reese's Pieces Road Glide, man. I think did some damage, knocked a couple people off, man, so on and so forth, man. But you guys know it's the beginning of the week, man. It's time to get right back to work. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're on this road to 100,000 subscribers, man. It's free and easy to do, man. So I definitely appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button for your boy right now. Meanwhile, man, we are back in the garage here. We got a few things to do today. We got to take off the forks on our Road King so we can get those black forks on there, and then we got to go find those screws for those fork sliders. Not only that, we got to try to load our new Road Glide up that we just got from Copart. However, got to figure out how to load that up on one of these trucks. Now, if you guys take a look, you guys can just see the Silverado sits up a little bit higher than the Ford. I might have to load it up on the Ford just because it's only me pushing it up, and I'm pretty sure this thing is going to get stuck either way, but we will figure it out, guys. We will figure it out. However, man, we are about to get this day started either way. I can't wait, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win a big 22, man, you guys know I'm giving away my 2022 Ford F-350 dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2022 Road Glide Special. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that thing. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2020 Road Glide with the built 124 on that joint. And third place, we got our 2018 Street Glide Special, man, with all the everything regular oohs and ahs on that joint. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either one of them joints, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go cop you either a supporter patch or a hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are already sold out of the blue camo hats. We are already sold out of the red camo hats, and we're about to sell out the orange camo hats, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning something just for supporting your boy, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get your hat or patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, the hard part has begun, dog. The hard part has begun. Now, you guys seen we got this Road Glide from Copart recently. I actually had it on the truck trying to start it. Thought it was going to start, so I pulled it off the truck. Unfortunately, it didn't start, man. So now we got to get this thing back up on the truck, man. So you guys know it's just me over here and around here. I don't really have nobody to help me out. So this is a long little runway to push it up, but I don't know if we're going to be able to get it on the Silverado just because it sits that much bigger. I actually think it's going to catch on the back of the bed, so I might have to load it up on this Ford just because. And then the only thing that's holding us back from loading it up on the Ford, we got the freaking truck rims from the Silverado back there, so we probably have to take them wheels out, slide into the backyard, and then try it that way, just because I know this Silverado sits up a little bit higher, man. I need this job to be as easy as it can be, man. Let's see. Alrighty, so of course we got stuck here, guys, so we're gonna have to be smart about this. We're gonna have to use our tie downs to get this thing up. And that's how you freaking load up a bike without anybody or any help. And just like that, guys, we got this thing uploaded. No help, no motor work, no engine, no nothing. All strength and smartness, man. Because if it wasn't for them straps, this thing would have still been on the ground. But furthermore, we got the hardest part of the day done, man. So I can't wait. We're actually about to go take this to my buddy. You guys see it doesn't even have no chain drive, no belt drive, no nothing, man. So we gonna have to see what's good. He gonna probably have to be putting this thing back together for us, but we gonna figure it out, man. I can't wait. But here we have our blue thing right here. Now, you know, Harley opened up in a couple hours, so I'm actually about to snatch this front rim off of there, take them forks off, take the forks up to Harley so they can switch them out for us, and then we should be able to get the rest of the stuff done on all the other bikes today too, man. So we got a lot of work to do, but we're gonna get it going. Alrighty, guys, we got those forks off. We got everything up front off. We actually found some other screws for our fork sliders here. So we actually mounted those things up along with our new crash bar. And then you guys see down here, our oil cooler is bent, but if we look in the bag over here, not that one, but this one, we got a brand new daddy right there, man. So I can't wait to put that thing on. Meanwhile, we're gonna get all this stuff situated once we get back. But so far, so good. We just got to put the bars on there, and then, of course, all the hand controls and stuff like that. So a few things left to do on the Road King, but all in all, not that much, man. I can't wait. This thing is coming together slowly but surely, and today we're going to definitely try to get it as far as we can get it, man. Let's see if we can get done, though. Alrighty, guys. Just pulled up to Republic Harley. We about to drop off our fork legs, and then we're going to go drop off our bike, man. So we're going to get them out the car, get them in here, and get them ready to go, man. As you guys see in the back, we have pretty much dropped off the bike already. We already dropped off the forks as well. So we are on our way to this tire shop. We're actually looking at some rims for our other Silverado. It's time to get that thing in the mix and looking like something I would drive, because right now with them stock wheels, it's not even looking like something I want to drive, to be honest with you. But furthermore, that's a brand spanking new truck, man. So I can't wait to put my taste on there, give it a little bit of the ooh and ah effect. So we about to get this show on the road, man. Let's go up here and check out these wheels and see if there's something that we may like, man. I appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get over here and check them out now, shall we? And just like that, guys, we done made it back to the house. We got our bike right here. We got our forks in the car. So now it's time to get this thing back on twos, man, and pretty much get it wrapped up and together, man. So let's stop playing. Let's get this thing together. We can switch the bars out too, so we can get them things situated, and we can possibly get this thing started today, man. That would be dope. Let's see what we can get done. Just like that, guys, we got the front end back on there, forks, wheels. Now, of course, we're still waiting for wheels for this bike, that bike, and then one more. But we will get this thing looking as complete as we can get it. Not only did we finish the front end of the wheel and forks and stuff off, but we did get our new bars on there. Looks really good. We got our new levers on there as well. And then I was gonna switch this silver lever out, but I'm gonna just handle that another day. We gotta get some brake fluid up in there. However, we got our new grips on this thing, so this thing is looking really good. We got throttle action now. So My guess is once we put some power to this thing, we should be able to get some power to it and you know, fire it up. That's just my guess though. But before we do that, we're actually gonna tidy up this front, throw the nacelle on there real quick, and get as far as we can get, and then try to crank it up, man. Let's get it on. Alrighty, man. We got as far as we can get. I thought we was going to be able to get further, but I forgot we don't have a headlight for this thing just yet. So I'm waiting for that to come in the mail. However, you guys see on the edges of these, we have that gap right there. That's because you guys need these rubber pieces right here. So I need to get 4 of those rubber little pieces right there, and we'll be able to snag that in, as well as when the light comes, this whole front end will be pretty much put together and ready to go. However, now that we got the hand controls and everything on this joint, I think we might be able to start this thing and get some power to it, man. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Heck the key at is the question. That's what I don't know. Where is the key? I'm like, I know the key is in here somewhere. It was actually in this side cover over here, so it actually clicked on by itself, and we're good to go now, man. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we got some action. Okay, we got a fuel pump. Let's see what we got. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see what time it is, man? Y'all see what time it is, man? Y'all know what time it is? Yes, sir. It's a movie. It is a movie, man. Y'all see what it is, man? We got this thing cranked up, ready to go. Turning and slurring, man. It's a movie. And now that we got this thing started, we got the front end on this thing pretty much ready to go. We're literally just waiting on wheels, a headlight, and then we got to get our tail lights wired up. After that, this thing will pretty much, and the oil cooler has to be switched out. Other than that, this thing is going to be looking freaking like a beast. It's already sounding like a beast. So once we get those wheels and stuff on here, this thing will look that much more complete. I can't wait. Meanwhile, we got to put the crash bar on this green thing as well. I'll probably do that off camera, but we are waiting for wheels and forks on this one. No big deal. This one is starting, ready to go. Then everything else is just about there, man. You guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the big 22, man. You guys know what to do. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today. You guys seen we got our Road King pretty much all tidied up, man. We got the forks on there. We got the fork sliders on there. We also got not only the forks on there, but we got them on there for the final time, man. So next time we take off this front wheel, man, we should be putting the rims on that joint, and this thing will be looking that much better when that time comes. But if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. It's been a long freaking day. I've been ripping and running all over Houston. The sun got me draining some more, man, but we gonna get to it, man. We only got 42 hats left available in total, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning Big 22, man, we only got 42 hats available, man. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your camo Everything's Regular hat or Everything Regular supporter patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You guys already know we giving away our 2022 Ford F350 dually truck paired together for first place with our 2022 Road Glide Special. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing for first place. We got second place, which is our 2020 Road Glide with the Built 124 on there. And then we got third place, which is our 2018 Street Glide Special, man. That's waiting for the Everything Regular ooze and ahs. I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, you guys know what to do, man. Meanwhile, it's been a long freaking day. I appreciate you guys tuning in, but I'm about to get up in here and try to get the next thing in motion, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.